All right, we are going to continue with your Cubism piece from video number 1. I am going to go over this side with you because that's your next step. And so you're going to start from the middle of your original jar and curve up and stop about midway where the shoulder of the original jar is. And 2 lines that are curving. Again, your Cubism pieces are really just a repetitiveness of shapes that you've already established. You're bringing your line halfway down and making just like a little small pouch right here. And then you're going to go ahead and continue with this line down to about the ending point of where that original bottle is. And again, we're repeating this shape, which is the top of the bottle, and making your circle here. I did want to highlight your pointillism section here. Make sure that you have a little bit more of shading when you're using pointillism here, because that's going to give you, if you're using that for a 3-dimensional look, that's going to give you more of a shading. Okay, and also with your cross-hatching. The closer your lines are together, the more of a shaded look you have. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pick up on this section here where I've left off. You're going to utilize the side of your charcoal pencil, and you're going to fill in, and you're going to fill in this little pouch, so to say. And then we will be using your blending tool, and you're really just going to make sure that you've got your charcoal in each up to the lines of this particular piece shape. Now you can also use your fingers too. You're going to get a little bit dirty, but that's okay. But I do like the feel and the look of your charcoal shading tool. So we're going to shade that in. Okay, nice. Now I do still want to have this line of the bottle showing. So we're going to redo that line section here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go down to the bottom part of your picture. I'm going to move my camera a little bit down here so you're able to see it. All right, so we are going to all right, so now we're going to go ahead and work on the second bottle. We're going to fill in some of the shapes that are not completed. So we're going to do some repetitiveness on the neck of the bottle. We are going to bring this line all the way down, and that is out. That's good. And then we're going to go ahead and do another curved line at the bottom, or the neck of the second bottle. And we're going to create some shading on this section. And I'm also going to have a line come down here. Now, this might be a little bit different from the original piece that you're seeing, but that's okay. So again, we're going to do some darker shading on this rectangle piece. And pull up. The one thing about this particular paper that you're using, it's nice to use your blending tool because you're filling in the different sections of the paper, because it does have some porousness to it, so that's okay on that. Okay, make sure you're having that shaded area a little bit darker. And we're going to do a very light shading on this section. And you're really just going to fill in a little bit with your pencil and just a little bit lighter shading on this side. All right, very good. All right, we're going to work a little bit now on the bottom section of these bottles. We're going to take the original line of your original bottle, and we're going to kind of from this point here add another section that's going to go a little bit lower. Again, we're going to keep that curvature of the bottle. and bring that down to this point. We are going to go out a bit and extend this line, curving it again, which is again another type of a repetition from what you have. And we're just going to go ahead and create a line that's going to extend out beyond the bottles. And closing this up. And then continuing on again, we're really working on using the entire space of the paper. And then we're going to continue with some lines at this point, continuing out to the right side of your paper. And again, curvature, again, we're repeating shapes, which is again part of the cubistic or Cubism style. We are going to go ahead and get some curves going up this way to that point. Now, this part we're going to be really just darkening your charcoal coloring. Again, you're going to use the side of your charcoal pencil and then go back in and use your tool to fill in the porous sections of your paper, because you want that to be a solid, more solid black than you would normally have with just using your pencil, okay? And you're also going to do the same thing to this bottom piece that we've created. Okay, and again, using the side of your pencil, you're getting the more usage of your charcoal lead if you use the side. And again, take your blending piece and fill in your porous sections. Nice. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the left side of your page, and we are going to continue again with repetitiveness. So we will add another curvature down here at the bottom, and it's just at the almost to the bottom of your original bottle. And then we're going to come up here and utilize the repetitiveness of the curvature of the side of the bottle and bring it all the way down to meet that piece. And then we're going to be doing a little bit of shading. Again, spatially, things are a little bit off, but overall, the look of your piece should resemble the final piece, which you're starting with in video number 3. So we're going to go ahead and do some shading here. And what you're going to do is you're going to change your pressure, the pressure of your charcoal pencil, because obviously more pressure is going to give you a darker look, less pressure is going to give you a lighter look. And then as you go in with your blending tool, you're going to keep that dark pressure, a little bit harder pressure on your darkened areas. And then as you come up, you're going to help blend and pull that charcoal out so that you have a little bit more of an explosion, so to say, coming out of the top of this section. You don't want that top section to be dark. You want that to gradate out to a lighter blend. Okay? Okay, so that's going to be like this. And then we're going to go ahead and just fill in just with some vertical lines from the side of your charcoal pencil, coming down to fill in this section of the bottle. Again, I'm going to kind of go in, and I want to keep my vertical lines, so I'm not going to use my blending tool, but I am going to use my finger a little bit, just because I want to keep those vertical lines. And then we're going to go ahead and add another section of this, just to give you a little bit different angles here. Okay, I'm going to finalize a couple more things to get you to the point of video 3. We're going to add another curvature at the neck of that first bottle. We are also going to give a little bit more of shading in this sense, and it's going to bring down some of that shading like we did in the section up here to like for the explosion. We're going to do that down here also. So again, I'm going to put a little bit of darker pressure on my charcoal pencil to make that dark, and we are going to blend this in a sense, and I'm using circular motion and kind of pulling that charcoal out into this section here to make that kind of explode right here. Okay, very, very similar now to where you should be for the next video, and so I'm eager to see your work. Thank you.